Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I want to share a flip through of some of the teacher related items that I received in my Happy Planner squad backs for the back to school release. So I have three kind of main teacher related items that I wanted to just flip through. The first one is this dotted lined Happy Notes. It is in the big size. I have found that teachers really like the big size because it allows them to kind of easily add in other papers that they get at meetings and such. So here is the front. It is this beautiful like dark green. You don't just teach, you inspire. The discs are actually clear, and I don't know if you can check that out. They don't have the hearts out. So I feel like this would be a great, it's really professional looking. This might be really great for, maybe like you teach high school, maybe even teach, I don't know, college, something like that, and you don't want to necessarily have hearts on all your stuff. You can try this one. So Happy Notes, this is dotted line. Let me just slide this off. Dotted line layout. I anticipate that it's going to be really just simple. Look at the beautiful kind of papery inside. May your coffee be strong and your students be calm. Beautiful, simple in the back, and then just dotted line. It says, you got this. Perfect. Then here we go. That's gorgeous with the kind of hand-drawn. Look, you have your scissors and pencils and coffee all. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very pretty. Same paper. And then this one will have 3 dividers. Create a way, not an excuse. Love that. Beautiful. All right, so a gorgeous planner, especially as a gift for a teacher. I think that would be awesome as we're coming up. I think it's Teacher Appreciation Week, end of the year gifts, all of that. That would be gorgeous. Okay, I also got this planner. So let's take a look at this. Whenever you're taking off these kind of plastic covers, just keep them because you can do all kinds of things with these. So you don't want to just toss them necessarily. All right, 12-month teacher planner. It says, only the brave choose to teach. Look at that beautiful. It's like this deep turquoise jade color. Love that. And again, this is going to be the teacher layout. So let's just get this part off right here and we'll do a quick flip through. So teacher layout. Hello, this big Happy Planner teacher edition belongs to, and you have your school, your room, your address, all of that stuff. The opening is going to be a little bit different because it's, again, formatted for a teacher. So you have your academic calendar and then your schedule, school schedule, reliable students, reliable teachers. Again, great for leaving behind with a substitute. Here's your year look ahead, and then here we are, August. So very simple page over here, which I like because the teacher can format it how they want. Only the brave choose to teach. Pretty, very neutral, and super neutral. So all we have are the dots on the inside. You have the days for a teacher layout. You have Monday through Friday. You don't do Saturday and Sunday. And then at the top, it's intended to have like your different courses or your different classes and things like that, different subjects if you're an elementary teacher. You can use this all kinds of different ways. If this is your vibe, I tend to use the teacher layout for my wellness. And so I actually will cover up these. I'll put the days of the week up top. These will be different categories and I'll track different things throughout the week. There's all kinds of ways to use the teacher layout. So if it's something that you are into, don't be like turned off just because it says teacher. Let's check out the rest of the dividers. So we have September. The best teachers are those who who show you where to look, but don't tell you what to see. Well, that's pretty. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Yeah, I love that. November, beautiful. Give them something great to imitate. That's really pretty. The trick to having happy students is to first be happy yourself. A good reminder. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Gorgeous gold foil. That's very pretty. Teaching from the heart inspires dreams. You don't just teach, you inspire. Good education can change anyone. A good teacher can change everything. July. Again, that same pattern, but on a green this time. And then at the end of teacher ones, we have the checklist. It says teach and some checklists, classroom checklists at the back. So you can have your students and your checking grades, kind of like your grade book in there. Love that. And I don't know if I pointed this out, but look at these discs. They're like this smoky gray color and no hearts cut out of those. That is really pretty. So I also received the corresponding box. So these teacher boxes, box sets, make great presents. So it's the same planner in here. It looks the same planner, but you get extra accessories. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. So it looks like there's stickers. There's a couple of envelopes, which are really handy for receipts and things. You have a big dashboard and a big folder. So a box, I think, makes a really, really good present. Maybe you even know someone that is graduating college, starting their first teaching job. What a fabulous present for them that would be. So those are the teacher, like the heavy themed teacher items that I received in my squad box. Again, the preview is available on April 29th. You can head to the Happy Planner website and check out all of the items that are releasing in this back to school release. And these will go on sale on May the 3rd. And I will have links down in the description box if you are able to shop those links. I would really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it does go a long way to helping this channel. And if there are any like coupon codes or discounts or anything like that, I will definitely link those in the box as well. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said, everything linked down below. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I hope that everyone has a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.